Good morning. 7 in the morning. It's pretty peaceful. I was hoping to see some deer come through. And this would be the time. And we got rained out last night. Oh, what is that? I think I came out too early, guys. Well, never mind, it's too cloudy for the sun to rise. See the sunrise. Oh, look. It's Freddie. I should have took a walk to the lake. And I'm kind of groggy and tired this morning. These poor trees. Look at this tree. It's leaning on the other one. It's about to go. Well, I just wanted to take a video. It's been a while. A minute. And say good morning. Enjoy your day. Be positive. All the trees are getting buds. Alright, you guys. Enjoy your morning. Enjoy your day. Smile a little bit. Yesterday I went out and hardly anyone was smiling. Everyone was just there. Going through the motions. Which is pretty depressing to me, I think. You know. Try to enjoy the day. No matter what you're doing. Right, Freddie? Freddie? What's he doing? What is he doing? Alright, guys. I'll see ya. More rain today.